Class, we're on activity 18. I think I just put 8. 18, page 122. It's scrambled sentences, so we need to make it into a sentence. It says, I want to eggs scramble. So we know the verb's always at the beginning. It sounds like it should start with I, right? I make... Yes. We don't have the verb just yet. So it's I. So here's the verb. I want to make. Remember, to make goes together, so it's not, there's not an ing. I want to make what kind of eggs, right? So this is the adjective right here because that's the kind of eggs. Scrambled eggs. Okay, remember when you see the word to something, they go together. This is never ing. Like you will never see it like this 90% of the time, right? I want to make. The verb is want. Okay, let's do the next one. I eggs and a little need to milk. So I assume really quick that I is probably the beginning of the sentence. Plus, remember, these pronouns must go before the verb. The I, he, she, it, we, they go before the verb for sure. So I, probably the verb. I need what? I need, and they have eggs, a little, and then to milk. I don't think we need 2 milk, but we probably need 2 eggs. So I need a little milk, I'm pretty sure, because it tells you how much milk you want. A little, because milk is not counting verb. I need a little milk and 2 eggs. But you know, this is practice, right? You will practice, and it's okay. The answers will be on Canvas, but you just need to practice. Here's a long sentence. Oil, some pepper. I also need some salt and, okay. So they're writing a list, right? I want to make scrambled eggs. So this is the story. I need a little milk and 2 eggs. I don't know. My brother likes to put milk in his eggs because it makes it fluffy. I don't really put milk, but it evaporates, but he puts milk in there. So this is the next list, right? So we know that the pronoun I must come from the beginning. And then this is what they need, but they need more stuff, right? So then it's I also need, because they're going to write a list. I also need some, well, you can write it in any list you want. It looks like they wrote some for everything. Okay, so I need, doesn't matter what order you put it in then. I need some oil because they're not measuring it. They're not telling you a spoon of oil. They just said I need, maybe you're going to go buy some, right? Or go get some from your house. So you're going to bring the bottle over. So they don't have an exact amount. I need some oil. I need some salt and some pepper. Remember, this might be in a different order because it's just a list. And we'll do one more. Mix the eggs and the milk in a bowl. Again, pronoun I, he, she, it, we, they. must come before the verb. So it has to be I. Where's my verb? Mix. I mix. Let me see. Yep, I mix. What are they mixing? I mix. Okay, so I mix. See, this one doesn't matter. You can put the eggs or the milk, either one. You can say, I mix the eggs and milk. You can also say, I mix the milk and eggs. So I mix the eggs and milk in a bowl, because it's one bowl. Okay, I want you to try the rest by yourself and look at the answers on Canvas, but practice.